Namaste and hello everyone. I'm Swati Almal, President of West Bengal Marketing Council in Women's Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry. On behalf of National Marketing Council, our social media partners and entire team of West Bengal Marketing Council, I welcome you all. Pehchan, the Virtual Heart, is an online platform where women entrepreneurs can showcase their products and services across India for free. This is where you can be visible across multiple social media platforms, create brand awareness, market and promote your brand among the right audience. So let us all come together, promote each other, and let's grow together. Today in our panel, we have with us Ms. Vitika S. Banerjee, President of National Marketing Council, Ms. Ashu Patodia, Creative and Operations Head, West Bengal Marketing Council. We have Ms. Shilpa Jain, who handles Instagram for us from West Bengal Marketing Council. We also have Ms. Rupa Motwani, member of All Ladies League and also all Kolkata chapter for cinema. She's also member of Social Media Council. Ms. Rupa Motwani is also a blogger and a passionate story writer. Thank you for joining us, ma'am. Ms. Mansi Bansali, who is an aspiring investment banker. Our women entrepreneur of the day is Ms. Priyanka Shah, who is a clinical dietitian, diabetes educator, and wellness coach. She is also founder of NutriDate by Priyanka. So Priyanka, welcome to Pehchan. And please tell us about yourself and your brand and your thoughts on celebrating nutrition.
Thank you so much, Swati, and thank you, everyone. So this forum is beautiful, and when I was approached to showcase my profession and my product, it was like wonderful idea. So as Swati said, I am a clinical dietitian, wellness coach, and a certified diabetes educator. I started my stint as a clinical dietitian with Merck Pharmaceutical Companies, which is a pharma giant and based out of New Jersey. So I was heading East Zone and was into designing standardized tool for the various frontline workers, the health workers, the hospitals, and to training junior doctors and nurses. And then I realized that since I was working only for diabetes, so somewhere as a clinical dietitian, where my expertise lies in various fields, I felt I was being restricted. So after 12 years of corporate life, I thought of starting my own journey, and as a private practitioner, consultant dietitian. And so 2019, I quit my job and started off as NutriDate by Priyanka. So once I was into this consultant dietitian, and I believe in food freedom, I don't believe in restriction. And I realized that my clients were not only pan India, it went on global. So and it definitely is like when you see the results and when you see that, okay, she gets food freedom and she has in food psychology, she doesn't believe in restrictions. So the by word of mouth, it started spreading, and now I have got more than 60% of my clients which are cross borders. And then came the question. So when, how did I come out with my products, this NutriDate by Priyanka? Because when I was giving them certain food products like garden press seeds, or I was giving them suppose the blue detox or the red detox, then it was like, from where do we get it? From where do we procure it? Which brand is good? Then I realized, no, I need to make it a concentrated approach. So if I'm delivering wellness, why not it be wholesome? So we started with the products as well. And being a dietitian myself, I have a responsibility, I have accountability to the people around. So all these products are natural, and they are sand roasted. When we say dry roast, I ensure that they are sand roasted, they are nicely packed, they are natural, nicely packaged, and it is delivered on time. So gradually we started growing, and now we have a team of logistics, of marketing, of junior dietitians. And 2019, August, September, it was just a concept. 2021, I am over here with the whole team and the whole set of product. So this is my journey, yes, and it's really overwhelming. Thank you so much, Swati.
Thank you so much, Priyanka, for the information, for what you're doing. And now we are open for questions. If you all have any questions, please go ahead. Yes, Shilpa, yes, please.
Yeah, I would like to ask Priyanka, how many weeks a diet program should ideally be?
Oh, that's a brilliant question, Shilpa. So people come up to me like, is it why not a one-time consultation? Why do you want to make it a 3 months program or a 6 months program? So what happens is, this is not a diet thing, is something which has to be a lifestyle change, which needs to be incorporated in our day-to-day life. It has to be a ritual. And to make it a ritual, we need to get into a habit. So there is no 4 weeks, 12 weeks, or a 18 weeks, 24 weeks program which we are looking at. We are looking at lifestyle. So we start with a minimum of 6 weeks, or I would suggest a 12 weeks program, and gradually it is incorporated. So it is a lifestyle change, basically, Shilpa. To answer your question, it is a lifestyle change. It is no weeks. It is a lifetime change.
Thank you so much, Priyanka.
I also have a question.
Yes.
Yeah. Priyanka, I want to know how easy or difficult it is for a working woman like us to incorporate a healthy routine in our daily life.
Very
Yeah,
important.
that's a great question that actually comes in everybody's mind. And then really during the festive season, now every woman is like, going to face this, how to balance and how to manage. And during festivals, especially, like, you end up eating a lot and all. Yeah. So thank you, Ashu, for asking that question.
Right. Thank you so much, Ashu. So this question, yes, for the women, it comes up because we have seen that women are the most neglected ones. They will take care of the whole family. They won't take care of themselves. And then they will have to look good. They want to look good. Yes. So now when we speak about being a lifestyle change, so what we do is like we create a pattern in such a manner that it is incorporated day to day life. Like suppose right now when we are all sitting and doing something, so it is just right now we are on like we're facing each other talking, but we are working, we have our own space or something, we try to put some detox water or some ready snacks. So whole idea is about the meal prep or the planning. So only 1 hour of planning in the night and 1.5 hour planning in the execution in the morning makes a whole lot of difference. And being mindful, it is very simple, Ashu. Yes, easy said than being implemented, but gradually we try to put in 1 or 2 change each week. We are not running to a finishing line. We are looking at a gradual change which will be incorporated in our life as a hygiene factor. So when we need to guide someone, we give them, okay, bring 2 changes, incorporate a food, carry something, and gradually we'll see that over 2 months time, over 3 months time, you are a reformed person. So it is not difficult. It is just being mindful.
So you mean like by planning, we mean we have to like think every day that what we are going to eat tomorrow, something like that?
Not exactly like every day. If suppose when I'm looking at sprouts, for example, so what we need to do, we need to soak the pulses so that it is sprouted when we want it. So that whole thing, what to soak, what all products to procure, how to go about morning when we say detox water, to make the jars, put it. So if we have a plan in mind, like the way when we have to give the deliverables, we jot down for our professional need. In the same way, we need to have a plan, and that plan, food plan, best is weekend में हम लोग grocery and सामान ले लिए, and उसमें जो लोग बहुत बिजी उनको हम लोग बोलते चॉप चॉप करके आप कुछ वेजीज को आप डीप फ्रीज करके रख दीजिए, सूप्स को बना के डीप फ्रीज कर दीजिए, एंड निकाला थॉ क्या हीट किया एंड इट इज रेडी. सो वीकेंड एंड एवरीडे 1 hour, that's it.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
I'd like to ask a question too. Ma'am, does crash diets really work? Like we've heard a lot about crash diets.
Right, crash diets. Very good question, Mansi. And coming from a young girl like you, I totally understand and agree, right? Though you look very fit and very lean. So there are people who suddenly realize, okay, the D-Day is close by. I need to attend a bachelorette. Oh, I need to go for a wedding. After 1 month, 1.5 months is my friend's wedding. So now what do we do, ma'am? So us samay crash diet is not the solution. So somebody, like, I won't say कि उससे कुछ result नहीं मिलता है. Now, if somebody has a ritual, All right, is a wedding, so I can put them on a 3-day fruit flush diet because I know what she's able to sustain, and she also knows that this is something she's looking for a short term. Long term crash diet काम नहीं करता है. Crash diet definitely leads to lots many complications if it is done on a regular basis. So best is to avoid.
Thank you so much.
Long term change, no.
Priyanka, I would like to ask you, could you explain more about the products that you were
Yeah.
talking about?
Yeah, so when Rupa, this is a nice question because like these products are keep on increasing. Like my catalog, I'm still preparing. Catalog
Just a minute,
because-
Priyanka. Can you please repeat the question, Rupaji? It was not audible. Or Priyanka, if you have heard it, can you please repeat the question? What Rupaji has asked?
Acha, Rupaji wanted to know more about the products with our NutriGate by Priyanka. So these products, Rupa, is the functional food basically. Functional foods, how do we define as a dietitian, as a they're the food which are required in very small quantity, but they are required over a long period of time, minimum 90 days, 3 months to show the effect. For example, I this olive seed, garden press seeds. So post-COVID, we see a lot of hair fall. So what happens is like this olive seeds, if taken in right doses, in the correct manner, it gives brilliant result for your good hair, for managing your periods, and for your blood circulation. Then another thing is like this blue detox. It is very good for your anti-aging. In the similar way, there's a red detox. So basically, all these are not processed, natural products like seeds or flowers, which are collected and cleaned and packaged in a nice manner. And like this chamomile tea, if you can see it, I don't know whether you're able to see it or not. So there's small flowers, and these flowers are brilliant when it comes to induce sleep, because of the COVID, there has been sleeplessness. People are awake till 1 a.m., 2 a.m., which is hampering their lifestyle completely. So this, with a pinch of nutmeg, induces a very good sleep. And this is something which I had to come up on demand. I did not seal it because I wanted to show it. So these are small energy-sized balls. These small, very small, 1 bite-sized ball, energy ball, full of nuts, seeds. So they are good source of protein, fibers, and good fat. So on the go, yes, Ashu ne bhi question pucha, how easy or difficult it is. So suppose if I'm in some kind of a meeting back to back. So if I take 2 or 3 balls of this small size, so that my calories are restricted, and I take a glass of water, so it fills me, and it is very, very handy. So this is another product which we had to come up because it was being asked by the clients a lot. So these are there are many other products, Rupa and everybody around. So this is what is all about the products.
So you are also creating the diet chart and also providing the stuff also, so that you know it
Yes.
to make their lives easier. कि भाई
Yes.
time नहीं है तो ये आप खा लीजिएगा and all. That's
हाँ,
very
because
nice.
उनका डेटाबेस में मेरे पास सब रहता है ना, तो हम क्या करें, जब डेटाबेस बना रहे हैं तो हम एड्रेस भी रख रहे हैं, तो उनको एड्रेस भी मैसेज नहीं करना है, प्रियंका आई वांट दिस, प्रियंका दिस इज गेटिंग ओवर. So there are oils also. There is jojoba oil, cold pressed coconut oil, and there is nigella oil, which is extremely good for weight loss and PCOS, the kalonji oil. So they are all hand pressed because market में क्या मिलता है मालूम नहीं, और यहाँ हम क्या करते हैं, फार्म में जाते हैं, देखते हैं, एनालाइज करते हैं, फिर वहां से प्रोडक्ट लेते हैं. Because यहाँ पे क्या है,
you're also supporting local produce in that way.
Yes, exactly, yes. And the whole idea is to be accountable. What happens is like आप किसी Amazon से लिए हो तो वहां पे तो आप किसी को फोन करके चार्ज नहीं कर सकते हो. Now Rupa is under my diet consultation and Rupa is getting things from me, so she can call me and say, Priyanka, this product I wasn't very satisfied. So
Yes.
there has to be a huge transparency.
Yes, that's true.
So I wanted to also know, Priyanka, that where are these products available? Supposing I want, so I contact you, or is it available in the stores?
So, Rupa, right now it is available with us, but tomorrow there are certain formalities which is going on, like procuring the trade license and the FSI, which I have already gotten it. So, some bank legalities. So, once that happens, so it will be available on Amazon, and we are planning to open the chain of NutriDate by Priyanka, which is slightly a longer vision. But in future, within a month, I am sure you people will be getting it on Amazon as well. By month, within a week or 10 days, I think so. Yes.
That's great. Yeah. Best wishes
Thank
to you
you.
for that.
Great,
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Yeah.
Priyanka, are you looking into distribution?
Right now, it is, yes, a wonderful thought and great.
So that is actually a marketing question.
Yes.
Since
Yes,
you
yes.
immediately are you also finding out distributors so you can become one? That's nice. Yeah.
Right.
Please go ahead.
So what happens is like distribution, yes, because see, I started as a clinical dietitian and I was focused. Then it started, so things started falling into place. When you see that the stars are aligned and things fall into place. So whatever you think as a passing thought, it gets materialized, right? So in the same way, now when people look up to me and they say, "Oh, Priyanka, you become an entrepreneur," so kind of pressure builds up, and you want to prove them correct. Yes. So yes, distribution is there in the mind, and definitely I'll use this forum to again tell, yes, that now I'm into distribution and I've got the chain of stores and everything.
Great.
That's great. Yeah. That's too many things happening, and we all wish you all the best, and may you succeed in all your endeavors. And friends, any more questions? No? Okay. So with this, we come to an end of the session. Good health and nutrition is indeed the need of the hour. Thank you so much, Priyanka, for this information. It was very insightful. And now I request Vitika ji, please, if you could say a few lines.
Yes, of course. This is so impressive, Priyanka. I think not only is the need of the hour, but looking at someone like you who has made this business enterprise from your own passion and started from scratch, and today you're looking at distributing through Amazon. I'm sure this is a brand that we are going to be starting to talk about more and more. Please feel free to leverage the network of Wiki. It's a large women's network. So I know you are going to be, we will be your first, not first, you already have customers, but we'll be your largest network of customers. And it's very inspiring for, all the women who are women entrepreneurs on this platform. You are making strides and, showing people that, we all can do from our passion, we can make an enterprise successful, and that's great. I just want to, before we close, I want to just give a vote of thanks to starting with Swati. I think as president of the West Bengal Marketing Council, part of the overall National Marketing Council, for launching this platform, Pehchan and the Virtual Heart, which is a fantastic platform for women entrepreneurs to come and showcase their businesses, and not only showcase their businesses, but also get higher awareness through the network. Because as entrepreneurs, you can leverage our social networks, our social handles, the huge number of women who are directly engaged and who you can speak to directly through the platform. I think it's a fantastic idea, Swati. Thank you for bringing it to the Marketing Council. Thanks is also due to all of you members who have attended today, taken time out, to come and share your views, ask your questions, and also encourage and motivate our women entrepreneurs who are showcasing their businesses. Thank you, Priyanka, for taking the time out to tell us more about your enterprise. Bring this nice, मैंने देखा एक टोकरी of your products. They look really nice. I hope next time if we meet soon, then I hope to be able to sample your products. Thanks a lot for taking the time to familiarize us with your enterprise. And last but not the least, Ashu, thank you so much for making this session possible. It's been error-free and glitch-free, thanks to your expertise. Thanks a lot, guys, and look forward to more and more such sessions, because we are going to be live almost every week, I think, Swati, if
Yes.
I'm
Yes,
not
yes,
wrong.
ma'am. This is
And-
going to be a weekly episode, and then every Friday we are going to relay it, and then we are going to have more such inspiring women entrepreneurs with us.
Yes. Yes.
This is
And
going to be
these
very
inspiring stories are what make us believe anything is possible. So let's grow together. Let's be supporting each other, and have a great week ahead. And
Yes.
all the best to you, Priyanka.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Pritika ji. Thank you for your support, your constant motivation, and encouraging us to, come up and approach you so easily. You're so approachable. You're so supportive. So, things that makes us, things easier for us. We want to discuss a concept or come up with an idea. So, thank you for your support. And thank you, all of you, for your time and supporting this initiative. So, with this, I sign off for today, and stay healthy, and take good care of yourselves, and let's catch
Have
up
a lovely
again.
day. Bye-bye.
Yes,
Thank you.
bye.
Bye.